So these types of variables, types of variables in what, that's operations is the subject. Operations research. So these are the types of the variables. First variable is slack variable. Slack. First one is slack variable. Second is surplus variable. Second is surplus variable. Third one is basic variable. Third one is basic variable. Fourth one is non-basic variable. Fourth one is non-basic variable. Fifth one is artificial variable. Fifth one is artificial variable. So one by one we will discuss in detail. So first one is slack variable. First one is slack variable. First one is slack variable. So here I am taking a inequality here. Suppose 3x plus 2y is 3x1 plus 2x2 is less than or equal to 5. Okay. So this left side, that is 3x1 plus 2x2 value, what are the values if you put for x1, x2, this value is less than or equal to 5. Now I want to make these two equal, LHS and RHS. So here shortage is there because less than, no. So that shortage I am adding here plus 2x2 plus s1 equal to 5. Then your inequality becomes in equation form. Suppose your x1 value equal to half. Okay. This is only example I am telling here, x2 equal to half. Okay. Now you put these two values here, 3 by 2 is 1.5. 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. So 1.5 plus 1 is 2.5. So your value is less than or equal to 5. Right? To make these two values equal, what I have to do? Here I have to add plus 2.5. Then these values will become equal. So this 2.5, adding this 2.5 here to convert this less than to equation form. Right? So 3x1 plus 2x2 plus s1 equal to 5. This shortage, what is shortage I am adding here, this is plus s1. So this plus s1 is known as slack variable. Now the definition of slack variable is the non-negative variable, that is s1 is a positive variable. The non-negative variable which is added to the less than inequality to convert into equation form is known as slack variable. Okay, again I am repeating the which one definition of this one. The non-negative variable which is added to the less than inequality to convert into equation form is known as slack variable. Okay. Suppose with another example I am taking 7x1 plus 4x2 less than 9. Okay. Now less than form. So I want this in equation form. So what I have to do? I have to go for slack variable. So 7x1 plus 4x2 here plus s1. Then this becomes equal to 9. Right? So a slack variable will come whenever less than inequality is there. Right? Next is second one is surplus variable. Second one is surplus variable. Second one is surplus variable. Okay. Right. Now here I am taking another example here. 3x1 plus 5x2 is greater than 9. Okay. You put any values of x1 and x2. x1 equal to suppose 2, x2 equal to 3. So 3 into 2 is 6 plus 5 into 3 is 15. 6 plus 15 is 21. Value greater than 9 no? Or equal. Okay. Now 21 and 9, to make these two values equal, here I have to subtract some value. What is that value? 21 minus this 11 plus 1, 12, no? 12. Then this is equal to 9. So this 12 is known as surplus variable. Right? Now this 3x1 plus 5x2, here I have to subtract, no, minus S1 equal to 9. So the definition of surplus variable is the non-negative variable. So don't take this minus sign. This variable I am taking, this non-negative variable only. So the non-negative variable which is subtracted, that word subtraction is there in the definition. The non-negative variable which is subtracted for greater than inequality to convert into equation form is known as surplus variable. Okay. I will take one more example here for surplus variable. 5x1 plus 4x2 is greater than or equal to 19. Now to convert greater than, what I have to do? Plus 4x2 here minus s1 equal to 19. Okay. So your surplus variable will come for greater than inequality. Okay. So here we learned what is slack and what is surplus variable. So your slack variable will come for less than inequality. Surplus variable will come for greater than inequality. Suppose this example, x1 plus 2x2 less than 7, 3x1 plus 4x2 is less than 9. Now to convert these to equation form, this will be x1 plus 2x2 plus s1 equal to 7, right? 3x1 plus 4x2 plus s2 equal to 9. Here s1 and s2 are known as slack variables. Okay. Now same inequalities I am taking, but I am changing the signs here like this. Now this will be x1 plus 2x2 here, right, minus s1, 3x1 plus 4x2 is minus s2. Okay. Now s1, s2 are known as surplus variable. Okay. In next video we will discuss the remaining variable, that is basic variable, non-basic and artificial variables. Okay. Thank you.